Hi students, this is unit number 1 engineering geology, topic landforms and processes associated with wind. The earth is surrounded by an envelope of gases called the atmosphere. Atmosphere is composed chiefly of gases collectively known as air. Air in motion is called wind. The entire geological work performed by wind can be studied at erosion, transportation and deposition. The first one is wind erosion. Wind erosion again classified as deflation, abrasion and attrition. Deflation. What is deflation? Deflation means to blow away. Wind possesses not much erosive power over rocks or over the ground covered with vegetation. Wind moving with sufficient velocity over dry and loose sands or bare ground covered dust, it removes huge quantity of material from the surface known as deflation. Oasis and stake is another one type of deflation. Water-filled depression known as oasis is a place where vegetation is grows in desert. Stake is another term used for depression created by deflation. Example, Atteria in Western Egypt. Hamada is the another one type of deflation. It is a bare rock surface from which thin cover of sand has been blown away by strong winds. Example, found in deserts. Next one, wind abrasion. Wind is a powerful agent for wear of the rock surfaces when equipped with sand and dust particles. The load is acquired by the strong winds quite early blowing over sand heaps and loose dry soil. This type of erosion involves polishing and altering of rock surface by a natural agent like wind is known as wind abrasion. Yaw dams. It is an elongated low-lying ridges forming overhangs above depression. Yaw dams are formed in area where rocks of alternate hard and soft rock lying one over other with gentle slopes. These are the images of yaw dams. Pedestal rocks. It is known as mushroom rocks. They flat-topped rock masses with slender supporting rock stems. The top is commonly referred as overhang and the support on pedestal. Ventifex. These are small-sized rock fragments having 1, 2, 3 or more polished faces. These wind-polished fragments are called ventifex. Attrition of wind. The sand grains and other particles that are lifted by the winds and carried away and do not travel in a straight path. Their path is determined by their density and velocity of the wind. It moves in zigzag paths. Next one, wind transportation. These are two types, suspension and saltation. What is suspension? The light density clay particles may be lifted by the wind from ground and move along with wind is called suspension. What is saltation? The heavier and coarse sediments are lifted up with high velocity and short distance above ground up to 2 meter height. They picked up and drop again during the transportation process of bouncing and jumping is called saltation. Next one, deposition by wind. Deposition as alien deposits. Landforms and deposits made by wind-blown sediments are referred as alien deposits. Two types, sand dunes and luves. Sand dunes, 3 types, crescentic dunes, sigmoidal dunes and transverse dunes. Next to luves. Luves is the sand deposit nearby seashores. Thank you.